If you're looking for the next big thing bridging traditional finance and crypto, you are in the right place. Ondo Finance is revolutionizing the game by tokenizing real-world assets, which opens the door to massive opportunities. Backed by big-name investors, this project isn't just making noise, it is setting the foundation for the future of decentralized finance. Who are these big-name investors and what exactly are real-world assets? Don't worry, Crux got you covered. Stay tuned, or as we like to say here, it's time to ape into some alpha. If you're new here, welcome to Alpha Bros, the ultimate pit stop for Web3 wisdom and hunting down those mid to low cap gems. Whether you're a true degen, a seasoned crypto bro, or just someone who loves the deep dives, you're in the right place. Go ahead and smash those likes, hit that subscribe, and let's jump into the alpha you've been waiting for. Ondo Finance has taken the crypto world by storm with its tokenized real-world assets. It is important to note that their partnerships add immense credibility, positioning Ondo Finance as a serious player in the future of digital finance. On February 6, 2025, Ondo Finance is hosting a groundbreaking summit in New York City, bringing together the biggest names in traditional finance and DeFi. Industry giants like BlackRock, Fidelity, BNY, Goldman Sachs, MasterCard, and many more will be in attendance, signaling a massive shift as institutions embrace Web3. This summit is set to prove the future of finance is here, and it is happening on blockchain. The Ondo token is openly available to purchase on many available exchanges. However, investing in certain products, such as USDY, OUSG, or OMMF, requires completing a Know Your Customer process to comply with regulatory standards. Well, let's dive into each of these products, but first, do not forget to smash those likes. USDY, or US Dollar Yield Token, is designed to function similarly to USDC or USDT, but with a twist. It generates yield for its holders. This stablecoin aims to maintain a stable value pegged to the US dollar, providing users with a digital asset that can be used for transactions, savings, and as collateral with decentralized finance applications. It accrues interest from its backing in short-term US Treasuries and bank demand deposits, thus proving a passive income stream for those who hold it, making a hybrid between a stablecoin and an investment vehicle. USDY only requires KYC. However, the next two products, OMMF or OUSG, also require speculators to be accredited investors or qualified purchasers. Accredited investors are individuals or groups with over $1 million in assets or earning more than $200,000 a year, who can legally invest in special investment opportunities. Qualified purchasers, a more elite group, require at least $5 million in investments. However, only accredited investor status is necessary. OUSG, also known as Ondo US Treasury Shares, and OMMF, also known as Ondo Money Market Fund, were designed for investors who can handle the risk and complexity of such investments and require a minimum deposit of at least $100,000 or USDC. OMMF is Ondo's pioneering product, offering investors exposure to high-quality short-term money market instruments like U.S. Treasury bills and bank demand deposits. This fund aims to provide both stability and yield, similar to traditional money market funds, but with the added benefits of DeFi like tokenized ownership and liquidity. OMMF offers a 4.73% annual yield on daily token airdrops for earnings, but charges a management fee of up to 0.3%. OUSG provides investors with exposure to short-term U.S. Treasury bonds. It is structured so that any interest earned from the treasuries is reinvested, thereby increasing the token's value over time. OUSG leverages BlackRock's USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, also known as BIDL, to enhance its functionality within the DeFi space. BIDL is the largest tokenized money market fund with over $500 million in market cap and is interoperable across many blockchains, including Ethereum and Avalanche. BIDL has distributed over $17 million in dividends since its launch, showcasing growing institutional interest in its sector. BlackRock's Fed Fund, bank deposits, and stablecoin are also used to back OUSG. Token holders receive a daily yield of 4.38% APY, which is high for a low-risk asset backed by U.S. Treasury bills. I know what you're saying. USDC and USDT already have products that allow me to get yield on my stablecoin. Insert Flux Finance, an application created by Ondo that allows users to gain more yield on their products through borrowing and lending. Lenders can deposit collateral such as OUSG and receive F tokens, or in this case, FOUSG, to gain additional yield, which depends on the market demand and borrowing rates within Flux Finance. Appreciation from OUSG, currently at 4.5% APY, and a theoretical yield from lending FOUSG of 4% adds up to give 8.5% APY on safe assets, comparable to returns of riskier products such as the S&P 500. All right, we've just taken a deep dive into the stellar lineup of products that Ondo Finance has to offer. Hold on to your wallets because now we're going to get into the good stuff, the alpha. Interoperability has been the cornerstone of Ondo, being built on 11 different chains such as Ethereum, Solana, Sui, Injective, and others. Ondo is able to partner with the best decentralized apps on the market. DeFi, borrowing and lending, exchanges, payments, service providers, the reach is limitless. The Ondo ecosystem is supported by a diverse range of institutional and crypto-native partners and service providers not yet mentioned, like Coinbase, Anchorage Capital, and Morgan Stanley. All of this is possible through the Ondo Foundation, which is a Cayman Islands foundation company whose mission is to usher in a new era of financial inclusivity and market efficiency through on-chain, institutional-grade financial products and services. Ondo Foundation is a nonprofit with no beneficial owners. The foundation supports a DAO, which operates as a decentralized governance structure overseeing key aspects of the ecosystem. This includes Flux Finance, treasury management, and protocol development. Ondo token holders govern the DAO by proposing and voting on changes such as protocol upgrades, treasury allocation, and ecosystem initiatives, using their token as voting power. This decentralized model ensures community-driven decision-making and supports ongoing development, with the DAO managing funds to foster innovation and growth across the ecosystem. We just navigated through Ondo's current offerings, but it gets even better because I'm about to lay out the alpha for the roadmap ahead. Most of you are probably here for the breakdown of the scary token unlock. It's not as bad as it seems. Here's the deal. On January 18th, 2025, 19.4% of Ondo's max supply begins to unlock. Key word, begins. While this more than doubles the tokens in circulation, most of these go towards fueling protocol development and ecosystem growth. Now, about those private token sales purchased at just 2 to 5 cents, they're already up a staggering 40 to 80x. So yes, some profit taking will happen, but here's the kicker. This unlock happens linearly over 3 years, only 0.36% of the total supply released each month, not dumped all at once. Plus, private sales account for just 13% of the total supply, so there's no reason to panic. I hope this puts you at ease, and here's some more bullish news to help with your convictions to continue to hodl those Ondo tokens. Ondo Finance's $1 million contribution to Donald Trump shows solidarity with his administration's pro-crypto stance, including pledges to create a Bitcoin reserve and establish a crypto advisory council. With regulatory uncertainty in the United States, Ondo's compliant-focused approach positions it well for growth in the quickly evolving landscape. As the industry navigates systemic risks and uncertainty, Trump's administration will be pivotal in making the U.S. a global hub in digital asset innovation. Another bullish catalyst includes Ondo's partnership with Libeara to provide liquidity for tokenized U.S. Treasury funds. By enabling same-day liquidity for real-world assets, this partnership allows U.S. Treasury securities to be more accessible and efficient, boosting their appeal as a stable investment globally. This positions Ondo to be the platform leader for tokenized real-world assets, while aligning with the U.S. Treasury's goals for broader market participation. What are your thoughts on Ondo? Am I too bullish or not bullish enough? Drop a comment below. I would love to hear your take on real-world assets. While you're at it, smash those likes, don't forget to subscribe, and follow me on X. Join one of the fastest growing free Discord communities, link in the description below. You can support the bros by joining one of the Brolux memberships, where we learn to trade, snipe those gems, and indulge in the true crypto experience. Thanks for watching. I was your host, signing off. Be patient, be persistent, stay alpha.